These are the top three mistakes I see LLC owners make all the time, and I want you to know them so you don't make those mistakes. First, a lot of LLC owners treat that LLC like it's just a bank account instead of a business, and that's absolutely the wrong way to treat it. They treat it as money goes in, money goes out. There's no structure, there's no consistent payroll, no labeled distributions, and there's no separation between personal and business expenses, and that can really convolute the system. An LLC only works if it looks like a separate entity. If your finances are blurred, your protection gets blurred too, and that's the last thing we want. Second, a lot of owners skip or ignore the operating agreement. Either the owner never drafted one at all, or they downloaded a template and never updated it to fit their business. Your operating agreement as an LLC is the internal rule book for how you work. It defines ownership, decision-making, compensation, and then really what happens if someone leaves. The operating agreement often answers that question. And if it's silent, the state default law fills in those blanks. And default law rarely matches how you actually run the business. And so that's not how you want your operating agreement to work. Third, a lot of owners don't plan for change. New partners come in, someone leaves, revenue grows, tax elections change, but the documents never get updated. Your LLC documents should evolve with the business. Those documents are living documents that grow with the LLC. And here's the pattern. Most LLC problems don't start with things like fraud. They start with neglect, and neglect is something that you can control. Formation is easy, but maintenance after the fact is where true discipline within your business shows up. If you separate finances, if you define rules in writing and update the structure as you grow, you will avoid most of the disputes that I see in litigation all the time. LLCs are very powerful tools, but only if you treat them like they're real entities.